Alright, so here we are underneath the hood of this 2017 Dodge truck, and as you can see just by looking at this thing, the discoloration, this is what the bottle normally looks like. You look at the discoloration here and the discoloration there where the coolant sits inside of this thing. So I'm going to pull it out. We've got it loose already, but I wanted to show you that this is actually the part out of this vehicle. So when you look at this reservoir and you look into the bottom of it here, you see a whole bunch of mucky mud in there, and that's what I'm talking about. So even at such a low mileage as 31,000 miles on a vehicle that's only a little over a year and a half old, it just shows you how much stuff can accumulate. There's a number of things that can cause that, but primarily it's just the various metals and so on that are going through this in this engine and the radiator and everything else like that. And I'm not sure if Dodge is using a really high quality antifreeze, but I'm guessing that they are, because almost everyone's using the same formulation these days. But this shows you just in what a short period of time this truck, which is in perfectly good condition in every other respect, we just have it in here to do some maintenance on, and we found this mess inside of here. And this looks like a bad cup of coffee.